Hello, our awesome biology Annandale High School students. This is Ms. Purohit. I am an Annandale High School biology teacher. I wanted to make a quick video and explain to students how to make their link shareable on Google Doc, just in case you may not know how to do that. So let me go ahead and walk you through it. So once you complete your dichotomous key on day 3, there is a Google form that we are asking you to complete. In order to add your link to Google Forms, you are not going to cut and paste the link from here, because if you do that, it's not going to make it shareable. So this is how you will make your Google Doc shareable. You will click on the share button on the right hand corner, and then you will click on get a shareable link. There's another step that we need you to do. We need you to click on the drop down menu and click on the third option. Anyone at Fairfax County Public Schools with the link can view. Once you click on that, then you copy the link, you go to your Google form, and that is the link you will paste here. Once you have done that, you can check mark on the Google form that you have made your link shareable. So those are 2 steps that we need all of you to follow before you complete your assignment for day 3. So once again, you will go to your completed Google Doc, right? Your dichotomous decree that you've been working on all week. You will click on the share button. You will get a shareable link. Click on the drop down menu. Click on the last option, copy the link, and this is the link that you will paste into your Google form. Once you do that, you will check mark. Yes, I made the link shareable. Happy learning. Please be safe, and thank you for being patient with us in this journey.